Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Hospitality World Guide. Please do like and share the video and subscribe the channel. In this video you will get to know about the steps involved in the manufacturing process of fermented tea, which is also known as black tea. Starting with plucking, where the tea leaves have been plucked, then comes softening, which is done by withering the tea leaves. Then it is rolled and then sorted into different sizes. After sorting, fermentation takes place at a temperature of 72 to 82 degree Fahrenheit at a humidity level of 90%. After fermentation, drying takes place in machines at a temperature of 175 degree Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Finally, it's ready for packaging and selling. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.